Guys, so basically, I took a screenshot. I will show it to you guys later when I get the computer. But anyway, she was sleeping and she walked on your tail. Her eyes were closed and she was like, except my hand was gone. That game. You do. I like cuddles. Hello. I don't know why I'm laughing about that screenshot. I just smile. Okay, never mind. Dogs don't smile like that. Just look like you're smiling. If you were a human, you would have been smiling. Make that smile big and make it big. Okay, I'm done messing with you. But yeah, that's a screenshot. I didn't expect it. Effective while I was playing. Basically, I was playing Roblox. I wanted to play Piggy and edit mode, and then one of my brother's friend joined me, and he went to my server and he asked me to help, and then he said something funny that I took a screenshot of. It was actually funny, but it was unexpected. And it was like about YouTube. So it was just like, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that because it's so funny. But